Today's just a little bit different than the day before and the day after. I got up really early this morning because we had a lot of honeydews and landscaping and things Karen wanted me to do. But now that we're done, it's time to get a little ride in before the Little League game. And one thing we didn't know when Miles joined the Little League, his dad is the coach, his mom is the assistant coach. So I guess he's enjoying it, but we enjoy going to the games. And tonight is one of the big ones. And to be very honest, I enjoyed every one of my adventures in the Little League. I obviously never turned out to be Derek Jeter, but boy, did I have a lot of fun. And I guess that's the story of my life. And when you have a very short amount of time, it's nice to know the bikes are all fueled up, the radar detector's already installed. We pre-flighted the bike yesterday, it's all set to go. And since we've had this bike since it's brand new, it's just one of the treasures I have in my life that I was smart enough years ago, I was tempted to sell it, and I never sold it. And it's turned out to be a good decision on my part. Now I know what they're thinking. Hey, don't go out riding before you feed us. Feeding us is top priority. And they're right. And Karen's little garden is just getting ready to go into full bloom here. We are really excited about the way it turned out. We've been working on this every day and pruning it and giving it fertilizer and two-stroke oil and whatever, and it's finally absolutely coming to life. And right there next winter when we start our painting and restorations, we'll be looking at this as a backdrop instead of the ugly grass and dead roses that we had last year. Well, I thought at some point today the wind would stop blowing. It never stopped blowing. Anyway, we had a nice ride up in a nice area, looking at some nice landscaping and some really nice houses. So I hope you enjoyed sharing the video, and thanks for watching. So the sun is finally out. It was cloudy. They predicted rain. No rain. And we're here at the Miles Championship Little League game.